Hi everyone, this is Valentine, an engineer who quit her career to do tech reviews here on YouTube. And today I am reviewing a robot that I have reviewed at the CES 2026 in Las Vegas on my Instagram, and I've got it home so I can put my greedy hands on it. So today I am gonna test and review the MOVA Mobius 60. Let's get started.
Most robot vacuums fail in the same two places. They either avoid the mess or they avoid the house. They get stuck on thresholds, skip corners, smear instead of clean, and then quietly return to the dock like nothing happened. But there is another problem people do not talk about enough. Most robots clean everything with the same mop. Kitchen grease, bathroom moisture, bedroom floors. So today, instead of talking specs, I am testing something different. Can one machine actually adapt to real homes with mixed floors, bad hair, grease, and clutter without spreading yesterday's mess into today's clean room? Because that is the real pain point, not dirt, time, and hygiene. So let's start with performance, not promises. Here is the core idea. It doesn't clean everything the same way. This is the MOVA Mobius 60. Instead of dragging one mop across the entire home, it uses an automatic mop switching hub with 3 specialized pads, each designed for a specific surface and type of mess. On wood floors, it uses a Plush wood safe mop. Ultra soft fibers absorb moisture while protecting the surface from scratches and swelling. This is about cleaning without damaging the floor over time. In the kitchen, it automatically switches to the ThermoHold Mop. This pad locks in heat to break down grease instead of smearing it around. You can actually see oily residue loosen instead of streak. And importantly, that greasy kitchen mop never touches my bedroom or living room floors. For everyday areas like bedrooms and living rooms, it switches to the HyperClean Mop. This one is made from composite fibers designed for consistent pressure and durability even after repeated washes. And this is where the MopSwap stops being a feature and starts being a system. Each room gets the right mop automatically, made clean, without waiting on manual swaps. You set the zones in the app. The robot handles the rest. Less downtime, less cross-contamination, more actual cleaning. For vacuuming, it runs on 30,000 PA suction, but the number alone is not the point. When it detects a carpet, a pressure retention baffle lowers automatically, creating a semi-sealed space. That prevents suction loss and pulls out embedded dust and bad hair instead of skating over the surface. I tested it with mixed debris, fine dust, coffee grounds, larger particles, cat litter, enormous amount of cat litter actually, and it handled it with an ease. It actually did amazing, which that was a big surprise for me. It is truly a 30,000 PA suction. It sucks everything in and then it goes back to the station and cleans itself. Worked absolutely amazing for me every single time. Now what stood out was not the aggression, it was consistency. The pickup stayed uniform across the entire pass. Now let's talk human hair and pet hair, which is handled by the Trouble Wave Duo Brush system using bristles and TPU rubber, which was designed to lift hair up to 30 centimeters long without wrapping it all around, combined with triple anti-tangle airflow. The brush stayed clean and maintenance stayed minimal the entire time. One small doubt I had going in was whether switching mops mid-clean would slow things down or feel gimmicky, but in practice, the hub swaps pads in seconds. You are not standing there waiting. It just keeps on moving the entire time. So the feature actually saves time instead of adding steps. Edge and corner cleaning is handled by an extendable side brush and extendable mop, which is reaching 4 centimeters into edges with a rubber swing motion. The extendable side brush is super cool, by the way. It really can go under your furniture, into the corners, and it looks absolutely beautiful, if you can say that about a robot and about a brush. Well, corners did not need a second pass for sure. This is super rare for a robot. Now let's talk mobility. This is where most robots quietly give up. The Stepmaster System 2.0 uses retractable legs to lift the chassis and cross thresholds, door tracks, and furniture legs up to 3.15 inches with a single vertical steps up to 1.98 inches. The motion is deliberate, climb, cross, stabilize, means no ramming, no retry loops. Navigation uses a retractable DTOF sensor. In open spaces, it rises for a wider field of view. Under sofas, beds, and cabinets, it lowers automatically to fit and keep mapping accurate. Now guys, let's talk obstacle avoidance abilities. The MOVA Mobius 60 is able to recognize over 240 different object types, including cables, toys, socks, and low contrast clutter, even in a dim light. The result is fever interruptions and fever rescue missions. Finally, the part you stop thinking about because it just works. The all-in-one base station handles refilling, emptying, washing, drying, and recharging. The mop pads are washed with 100 degrees of hot water, dissolving grease and stains instead of masking them. They are then dried with 145 degrees of hot airflow, reaching up to 99% dryness in about just 1 hour, which means less odor and less bacteria. The 3.2 liters of a dust bag holds up to 100 days of debris, and the DuoSolution system automatically dispenses the right cleaning solution per zone with low liquid detection, so nothing stops mid-clean. Everything is customizable in the MOVA Home Smart app. And it's not just called a DuoSolution system, it is actually divided. There are two detergents for the floors. So it has the wooden floor detergent, which is used separately, especially for the mops that are used for the wooden floor. And then it has the regular, everything else type of detergent to clean your floors. How amazing is that? Like even the detergent is separated. Awesome, genius technology. And now guys, here's the bottom line. This does not feel like a robot trying harder. It feels like a system making smarter decisions about surfaces, messes, and hygiene. If your home has mixed flooring, pets, trash holds, and real life happening on the floor, this is designed for that reality. Not perfection, just fewer things for you to think about and more time to dedicate to your beloved family.
So guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. Please let me know your opinion down below at the comments. What do you think? I personally was very impressed with the MOVA Mobius 60 at the CES already. And I was in general so impressed with MOVA as a brand. They've got it all, and I had no idea. They do everything. Robotic pool cleaners, robotic lawn mowers, hair, beauty, everything. There is no area that they won't do, and they even had this flying robot, like a robotic vacuum and mop that will fly between the floors. Yeah, I mean, that's the future. MOVA is the future. It's a new brand and they've already succeeded so great. So guys, you're so very welcome to check out the MOVA Mobius 60. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other type of really useful information that can save you some money, like coupon codes, sales, promotion, any possible way to save some money off yours. So you snooze, you lose. Well, so don't snooze if you don't want to lose. I mean, that's obvious. So guys, once again, links and coupon codes and any information about any sales events, any discounts, any promotions, everything gonna be listed down below at the description box to this video of mine. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO. Bye.